Muna natin to, mga highlights netong game number 6. Sinabi mo, medyo shaky Dom. In the opening moments of this game, ang laro ng San Miguel Beermen. Pero pagkatapos dun, nakatikim ng 2 beses na kalamangan ng TNT. But after that, it was all SMB.
You know, they went down and they did what they had to do. They were able to extend out dun sa kanilang depensa. Yun yung sinasabi natin, they need to come out swinging. They need to be able to extend out on those 3-point shots, and they were able to prevent yung 3-point shooting ng TNT from the start of the first quarter.
Pagdating ng second quarter, more stops by the Beermen and the Spider-Man jam delivered by Arwin. At patuloy na namaga, nagdire-diretso na yung kalamangan ng San Miguel Beer.
Well, ang importante rito, Mago at Dominic, yung timing. Yung timing kung kailan pumutok si Lassiter, kung kailan pumutok si Arwin. Si Arwin, inumpisahan niya sa Game 5. Ang ganda ng timing niya nung pumutok siya. Ito namang si Lassiter, pumutok dito. Ang ganda rin ng timing niya. At dinadagdagan at kino-compliment pa siya nung import nila si Chris Ross at saka itong si Alex Cabagnot, who is now the finals MVP. Ang ganda ng timing. Nag-put in place lahat ng mga key elements for them to win a championship.
Everything aligning for the San Miguel Beermen. Hanggang sa dulo ng ating laro, pandiin na lang yun, dineliver ni Arwin Santos, and that was all she wrote.